Hey there, I'm Letlhogonolo Letsatsi, 19 years of age, and I was born and bred in Silibwe, Botswana. I'm a proud African, looking forward to being a good and well presenter, but I need your help there to vote for me. I really do have the talent, I really do have the confidence to prove to the world that I can do this. I want to learn more and know more about presenting, and I really want to accomplish my dream in helping others and changing lives. So please, vote for me. Thanks for watching my script. I'm Letlhogonolo Letsatsi. Peace. Hello and welcome to another mind-blowing talent of a show, Gemstones. Letlhogonolo Letsatsi is my name and I'm your host, here to be a part of a journey that's really wonderful in trying to look for the best that there is. I'm talking about dancing, singing, acting, the list goes on. So please, we really need you guys to help these young people accomplish and reach their dreams by going to www.gemvote.com and voting for them. You never know, they may become the next Denzel Washingtons, eh? Okay then, well, next up we have a nice, fresh, good-looking, young, talented performer. She goes by the name of Zintle. I hear she's got those Rihanna eyes and those Beyonce thighs. I don't know what you guys have to say about that, but check it out. Please welcome onto the stage, Zintle.